Hello and welcome to another unlocking video of the premium cottage jacuzzi villa at the Gateway Bekal, Kerala. And as you enter your beautiful wooden gate, you step right into your private courtyard with a serene little garden space and stone steps leading all the way to your room. And the minute you enter your villa, your first impression is that the room is huge. On the right side, you have your modern, luxurious washroom that comes with your private jacuzzi. Remember, it is unique only to this particular villa. I'm your host, Ayush Khurana. Now, let's get into the details of the room. The first thing you'll notice is the high wooden ceiling and warm, earthy tones everywhere. Think of traditional Kerala architecture blended with luxury resort kind of vibes, and a king size bed framed with elegant woodwork and crisp white linens. On the side, you have your day bed and some sweets and savories courtesy of the management. However, the best part of the villa is your private patio outside, connected to the lush tropical gardens and, of course, the view of the backwaters, canopied with coconut trees everywhere. Honestly, it's the kind of place you just don't want to leave. Quiet, luxurious, and private. This is the Gateway Bekal, Kerala. Thank you so much for watching.